welcome to part 2 of flavoring JUN or kombucha. Part 1 was started on March 19th. I will link it in the video below. I didn't get around to filming the second part, the flavoring, so we will do that today. First of all, I'd like to show you something that I bought from the Dollar Tree. I found this little gizmo. I don't know what it is. It's called a waiter's corkscrew, but it has a little hook on it for taking the tops off of sealed mason jars so that you can get them off without breaking your nails or using like a beer opener or something that might dent the lid or top. Okay, so a couple of things I want to show you. I have taken the SCOBY off so I wouldn't make a big mess, and I made a SCOBY hotel. This is a SCOBY hotel with the SCOBY from the JUN, which has honey in it and green tea as opposed to kombucha with black tea and cane sugar. This is the SCOBY from apple cider vinegar. I do not, repeat, do not store them in the same area of my kitchen because they will cross-contaminate. So I put the SCOBY in with some tea for it to eat, and I put it elsewhere. Now, as far as the flavor, you will see I put fresh strawberries in one, and I split the gallon in half, and I have half of the kombucha in this jar with some pomegranate juice. Why? Because I was being lazy. Also, I don't like the flavor of mushy fruit inside my mouth. So what I do, I don't put the fruit in the individual bottles. I put the fruit in a big bottle so that I can strain the whole thing out. Let me see if I can do this without knocking it over. So what I'm basically doing, I don't know if you can see how fuzzy, fizzly, and bubbly it already is. Gloop, gloop, gloop. There goes the soggy strawberries. Whoa. That's about all I'm gonna fit in here for the time being. Okay, let's take this out. I'm actually going to be throwing those strawberries out, and I'd like to show you how to taste your brew. No matter what it is, you don't have to stick a spoon in whatever. You take a clean straw, stick it in, put it down. Oh, that's really strawberry. So I'm going to get another straw, and so this is the strawberry kombucha. Testing. The pomegranate, which is chilled. This one is fresh. So then what I do, I take something that's smaller. Since this one is already chilled and ready to drink, I will pour the JUN or your kombucha in here with a pretty pomegranate color. And then I like to pour mine in these small 8-ounce mason jars because this is a probiotic. It's a fermented drink, and I don't know how sensitive your stomach is, but I tell you what, If you drink this and you're not used to it, you might want to stay close to the bathroom. And don't think you're going to be passing gas when you feel a light tug. You better be near some toilet paper. Okay, so now we've got it poured. It's ready to drink. I put the top on. This I will put back in the refrigerator. The larger container, either I can put the whole thing in the refrigerator, which I will probably do, because who wants to store all these little bottles falling all over the place? And I will taste one for you. Whoop, excuse the hand. I am trying to, there we are. So cheers. And there you are, flavoring kombucha. Have a good day. Bye-bye. Oh, if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe, leave a comment. What do you think about this method? You don't have to have a whole lot of little bottles. All these are going into the fridge. They're ready to drink. Peace, love, and blessings, family. Love you.